I don't know shit about cars. I'm gonna replace my headlights. So I think from watching the video, I just have to pull off this metal rail, they say here, and it takes off this cover, and then you can get to the light. Motherfucker. Oh, there we go. Okay, it kind of just pulls to the side. Nice, nice. Yeah. Hell yeah. Okay. Got it on my side.
This one hasn't been done in a long time. Can you do
Yeah.
the bottom to it for me? I got the top.
I think you just need
a little bit.
to just pull it to the
Yeah,
side.
I got. Oh, careful! It's unhooked over here.
Oh.
Just the bottom leg.
Yeah, it's
Stuck. Yeah, see the top came off easy. Bottom said no thanks.
mother flipper, dude. Get up.
Nice. Ta-da.
Cool.
Get in here.
He's saying something about getting in here, getting like a clip that's like in there somewhere. I think it's right there. Oh, no, it's that right there. Okay, figured this bit out. You gotta pull this chunk off, which I didn't realize at first. And then I think this, just to take here.
Did you get the wires undone?
Yeah.
How'd you do it?
You just kind of pull that black box off. All right, and then you just squeeze that and fold that out, and then I think my light will come off. So let's have Mick over here. Oh, you got it?
Yep.
Nice. Okay, I think I'm at the same spot. I just need to pull my light out now. Yep. This one doesn't look like it is, does it? Oh yeah, I guess it does.
Wait,
huh?
can I put this near the lens? Don't look at my nails.
No, it's okay. We've just been messing around the car and stuff. Nails aren't gonna be perfect. Yeah, that one's super blown. And then this must have been the one that just went out. It's like just a little bit blown. Yeah. Frick!
Okay, now we gotta knock it out.
Did you take it out already?
In the backseat?
Yeah, it's in the backseat of my car. Okay, I got turtle wax. Oh frickety. What's up?
It wasn't about the car.
Oh, okay. Well, I got this stuff. Light and turtle wax.
Are these comparable? No.
No, those are huge, bro. That's wrong. I think you might have looked up the wrong one, maybe.
Okay.
Womp womp. We'll have to go back. Okay, after a very long transaction at Advanced Auto Parts, we have the right balls.
Whoa!
They're a lot smaller. Ralph's the squeaky boy. Okay, now I'm back. We're getting gloves so we don't put little fingerprinters on the new light bulbs. Okay, I think it's, yeah. Okay.
Open up, Bruce.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. Sorry.
I love these. Yeah, crack these open. Okay, careful. They're right there next to you in the box.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Just gonna make sure that's sitting in there the right way. I think so, yeah. Or maybe it's up. Yeah, it's up. Tab goes up. Yep. If you slide it in there right, it like slots right in there. Okay. Now I just gotta put the little cage back on.
Cage door first. Because whoever did it last time really messed it up and did it the other one.
On your side? My side was done fine. Okay, got the little cage on there now. And I'll shoop the little box back on there, which I didn't show me doing before. I just kind of figured it out because I was dumb and I was trying to do it the other way before. Okay, light bulb is in now. Now we just gotta put on that covery thing, which is still in my other seat. Okay.
Do you want to test it out to see if they turn on before we close them up?
Oh, I guess that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, get my keys. Get out of the way, I'm turning on the jar!
We did it!
Yeah! Lights are so lighty now. Woo! Okay. I'm just gonna put this thing back on here. Shit. I just... It's like a little slot. Oh nice, having my phone actually helped me look at it. Okay. I got a slot on that thing.
Wow, that looks so good.
Sick.
Look how good we did!
Yeah.
Dusty high five.
Alright.
Wait.
Oh, thank you.
Bruce has 2 eyeballs. Oh boy. Look at those functional headlights.
But they're super foggy like. So we're gonna put this turtle wax stuff on, clean them up a bit. I know there's another way I've seen too, like online. Someone put like a spray thing and it like defogs the back, but that looks like some sort of specialty shenanigans. So I'll look it up and see if it's hard to do. If not, we'll just do the turtle wax. Okay, we're just gonna do some normal glass cleaner on it first. Apply headlight or lens repair remover compound with a small cotton cloth. Spread product evenly over dull headlight surfaces for moderate pressure. Slow back and forth motion for 30 seconds. And then buff area with dry cotton cloth. Repeat necessary to max clarity. And then if headlight's not evenly restored, proceed to sanding step. Oh, you can use tap water and a wet headlight and a sanding pad. And then you just kind of sand over the damaged or dull areas for 30 seconds. And then reapply the goop. Okay, use a little sanding pad. And now we're going to put a little bit more glass cleaner. This really nice glass cleaner.
We tried DinoDoesIt plant powered.
That worked alright.
Wait for the castle.
I used this little sanding pad. It had like a 1 and a 2 side, and I did both of them. Yep, cutting up a little tank top. Thanks. 1 cloth to apply, 1 cloth to buff it out. Put a little bit of the goop on.
Oh, it's runnier than I thought.
Oh, that's okay. I'll get to it before it runs down. That should be good, right? Cool. Oh no, things are blowing away. Even coat applied. Now I'm gonna buff it out. Alright, Michaela's buffing out her side. And then we have to put on this thing, like ceramic acrylic wipe. It says you're supposed to just like open it up, put it in even strokes with a glove on, and then it like dries out and you have like a protective layer over the top. Other side there? You want to sit up there?
Yeah, perfect.
All the way around the edge. Yeah, lights. I'm gonna fix that fully soon in the middle there.